How to add a video to the Shopify Dawn theme. To do this, we have to go to our online store on the left hand side here. We just click on online store and make sure you're in themes. So once we're in here, we want to go down to customize, and here in this tab, which is the sections tab, you want to minimize that one, and I want to look for this one which says template, and I'm going to go here and add a section. And now I'm just going to scroll all the way down until I see video. So just click on that. And here you can see this one, you can type in whatever you want. It doesn't have to say video. This can be your brand name or the product you have featured. You can choose the heading size and all the styles. You can select one of your videos on your PC, or you can link a YouTube video which you want to play in this section. So once you're done with that, you can go back here and you can reposition it. It can be at the very front of your page. So that's the first thing people see when they open it. And that's how you add a video to the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.